If you are looking for a vacuum cleaner, you will see that options are endless. So, experts have come to the rescue with different options. Make sure to smash that subscribe button so you never miss an expert review. When choosing a vacuum cleaner, it is advisable to consider various characteristics, including the type, consumption, power, accessories, filter, tank, and noise level. Based on these factors, here is a list of best vacuum cleaners for you. 1. Dyson V11 Absolute. It is currently the best vacuum in the market. It uses an extraordinary 14 cyclone turbo cyclone technology to capture 99.97% of particles as large as 0.3 micron. The engine of this vacuum is a very fast, small technological prodigy that reaches a top speed of 125,000 RPM, faster than a Formula One car. 2. Shark HV380 Stick Vacuum Cleaner. It has a pair of batteries running for 23 minutes each with LED lights to illuminate darker areas. The tube bends to reach harder reach areas. Moreover, it also comes with many accessories. 3. Dyson V10 Animal. It is a silent, long-lasting, and powerful vacuum best for people with pets who struggle to remove pet hair. It comes with a brush called Direct Dive and is one of the most comfortable vacuums to use. 4. Shark 10N F80. It has double batteries with 30 minutes of delivery autonomy. It involves an increase in terms of weight while being a manageable vacuum with a powerful engine allowing the capture of 99.9% of dirt. 5. Shark IQ Robot. It is a medium, high-end robot vacuum cleaner. It has 2 multi-surface brushes to help you clean anything, making it the best vacuum cleaner for parquet, and you can control it with a Shark Clean app from its Wi-Fi connectivity. For more on each vacuum, click the link below. Thanks for watching.